Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, we're shedding light on how to lift restriction from contacts on Messenger, be it on iPhone or Android. If you find this tutorial valuable, do hit the like button and consider subscribing. You might wonder, what does it mean to restrict someone's on Messenger? When you restrict a contact, you mute their notification and make your activity invisible to them. But if you've changed your mind, here's how you can roll it back. Launch the Messenger app on your device. Tap on the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines situated in the top left corner. Proceed to the top right and click on the settings gear icon. Scroll through the settings until you spot Privacy and Safety. Tap on it. Dive further down and under Who Can Reach You, you'll find Restricted Accounts, and click on it. Now, you'll see the list of contacts you have restricted. Just find the one you wish to unrestrict. Once you select the contact, a brief profile will pop up. At the bottom, there's an Unrestrict button. Hit it. A confirmation will be displayed. The selected contact is now unrestricted. So, that was a straightforward way to unrestrict someone's on Messenger. Any queries? Drop them in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!